Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery application on your iOS device. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So the first thing to do is to open your App Store. Once you open it up, go to the search box at the top and type in Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery. From the search result, look for this application from Jam City, developed by Jam City. Soon after you get to this interface, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the application for your iOS device. The game offers in-app purchases for in-game currency and energy, allowing players to progress more quickly or access certain customization options. Once you tap on Get, go ahead and log in with your Apple ID and you will be able to begin the download process. Wait until the app gets downloaded and installed, which will take a couple of minutes, and then you can easily open up Harry Potter Hogwarts Mystery and play. So that's how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next episode. Thank you for watching.